Alright, hey Jammers, sorry I was rushing in my other video, but let me show you something cool. Oh, no, but there's like a really cool glitch that I just, I don't know, it just like, oh my gosh, it was like so wrong. You have to go through the tunnel, like this, like, okay. It might take a lot of time, but you will make you go get there. Like after a few times, like you will just like you will just get there. But, so it didn't work, but let's try this again. Did you see a cool glitch? That was kind of like a glitch. Okay. This is gonna take forever. Oh my gosh, how long is this gonna take? Oh my gosh, everybody. This is gonna take super long. Super long. Gosh. See? Boom. You can see there's an anchor here. You see right there out of the shark? No. She's only partying. And there we go. Here's a horse in Caney Cove. There you go. There's a horse right there. Right here. See another one right here? It's because sometimes it says Caney Cove, but sometimes it's literally the horses only party. As you can see, there's one horse here and another one right here. So Caney Cove. That's a glitch. Hope you like. Thanks. Please subscribe and like. And once again, I'm Wolf Girl 1234. See ya.